So I got this audio amplifier here I've been working on. I just thought you might be interested in taking a look at it. It's a Audio Research Dual 75 amplifier, and I had to replace a bunch of capacitors in it to get it going again, but a lot of people just like to look at the vintage, look at the tubes and stuff, so I thought I'd just give you a little video of this unit at work here. That's it playing right now. I'll just tell you, this thing has definitely got some weight to it. It's got some pretty good sized power transformers in it. Well, a power transformer and the audio output transformers. But I thought I'd just give you a little look-see here. The tube's glowing. You don't see that much anymore. And then here's the glow of the output tubes. You can see the filaments there. This is a 5U4, or is it a 5U4? No, that's a 6L6, I'm sorry. This is used as a regulator tube in this model. It's the shunt regulator. Then the other two output tubes here. This particular unit, according to the date on the circuit board, was manufactured in 1977. There's the capacitors I replaced right there for the main stand-up filter capacitor. That's not for the power amplifier, those are for the preamp. Now on this board, somebody's already done some work. They've changed a couple of the capacitors on it, and I'm not going to clean that up. They didn't do a super neat job, but it looks like it's been many years ago based on the date of this, or the type of capacitor they used. As this one over here, it's been quite a while. Anyhow, I thought I'd just show this to you. Some vintage electronics here. And so here's a look at the schematic. If you want to look that over real quick, if you've ever got a problem, this is a schematic on the D75 model. Maybe if somebody's having a problem and they don't have the schematic, this will help them out a little bit. Sorry about the camera being so shaky. Hopefully you can read everything if you need anything off of this one. Well, we definitely kept a antique out of the junkyard today. So I hope you've enjoyed this video especially, and thanks for watching.